Meaning of insertion.
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 Insertion. The term insertion is generally used to refer to the act of inserting or adding something into a larger entity or system. This can apply to a variety of contexts, such as inserting new data into a database, inserting text into a document, or inserting a new gene into an organism's genome. The results of insertion can vary depending on the specifics of the situation, but generally involve adding new information or functionality to the existing structure. In some cases, the insertion may disrupt the previous organization or function of the system, while in others it can enhance or improve it.